Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. If you have not updated your Google Chrome, you should update your Google Chrome, and I'll tell you one single step to update it. It has some cool features like jump back into your past research and find it what's next. And privacy settings have been improved, and now you can find any word in Google Chrome by just pressing Control F faster. It is always recommended to update your Google Chrome. Not only it improves your Google Chrome experience, it also improves the security, privacy, and overall performance. So for that, you just need to click on this three dots at the top right corner and then go to this help menu and click on About Google Chrome. And from here, it will start automatically updating your Google Chrome. So I can see updating Google Chrome. Currently, the version is 102.0.5005.62. So this is the official build, and now it is updating your Chrome. It will not take much time to update, and once you update it, you just need to close it and reopen it. So I can see the 100% is completed within a minute. Once it is finished, I just need to reopen it. So I can see nearly up to date relaunch. So I just need to click on relaunch, and very soon I'll have the latest version of Google Chrome. You can see Google Chrome is up to date. You can also do that, and if you find this video useful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.